Hey guys, welcome back for another tasting video. Finally getting to show you the Czech Dark Lager. It's just had pretty much 3 weeks in the keg just to give it a chance to condition and clear up a little bit. So there it is there. It's poured up a nice dark brown colour, although it looks a little bit darker on the camera. Just got a torch here, we'll just shine a light through it. Yeah, so it is more of a very dark chestnutty sort of colour, holding on to a nice little creamy cap on the top. So happy with the appearance. So before we dive in, I'll just quickly run through the ingredients. I'll probably put them on the screen as well. So the bulk of the malt is 69.1% Pilsner malt, then 11.1% each of a medium crystal and biscuit malt, then 8.6% of a light or pale chocolate. Then it's hopped with Saaz at 30 minutes and at flame out. It's only used 50 grams for bittering, so it's around 20 IBUs from memory. So 35 grams, yeah, 30 minutes, 15 at flame out. Fermented with Novalager at 15 degrees, and then like I say, it's been in the keg for just on 3 weeks. Came out at 4.2%, so it finished at 1008 with that Novalager, so nice and fairly low. So cheers, mouth watering. We will go in for a get a nose on it. So straight away picking up the malts on the top. Tiny bit of roast, but not much. It's got some nice like chocolate, so definitely some chocolate on the nose. A little bit of like coffee, like a light coffee aroma. Maybe some little bit of sweet caramel, not too much, just a hint of sweet caramel. Smells really, really good. It's definitely all about the malts on the nose. So cheers guys, we will dive in. It tastes good. Getting a lot more of what I was picking up on the nose and the flavour. Yeah, like a smooth chocolate. Touches of coffee, almost like a little hint of nuttiness as well, but yeah, the roast is fairly low, which I think is in keeping with the Czech Dark Lager style. I think a Schwarz beer, for example, is a little bit darker in colour and it's got a little bit more roast character, with this is sort of a very subtle, very smooth, sort of hints of roast. But yeah, more coffee, chocolate, a little bit of nuttiness to it. Also, that mouthful there is getting some nice sort of dark fruit. Very nice. The body's pretty good for 4.2% and being a lager. Yeah, it's not thin. It's not thin. It's definitely got some little bit of weight to the body, but it's not. It's nowhere near like a stout or a port or anything. It's definitely a lot lighter in body than that. Nice carbonation. Got a nice little bit of a nice, slightly creamy mouth texture. Has got some of that nice, like a little bit of biscuity toast dryness coming through. It's got that biscuit malt in there. So yeah, quite a nice biscuity, toasty sort of dry back end to it, which is good. Carbonation is good. It's haven't overcarbed it. Very, very easy drinking at 4.2%, which is what I was looking for. I mean, halfway through spring here, so I don't want anything too sort of reminiscent of a like a winter style beer like a stout or a porter. But yeah, tons of flavour. Very happy with how that's turned out. I can tell you it's not going to last very long. It's going down a treat. Nice bit of glass lacing there. Sorry, mine's just sort of working overtime trying to think about what else I'm picking up. Very refreshing. Nice and clean. And I think that the Saaz hops are giving it a little spicy edge, which fits in nicely with the malts. Yeah, a little bit of spicy, sort of, yeah, little spiciness goes well with, you know, chocolate and coffee and those sort of things. So very happy with that. So cheers, guys. Maybe there we go. There's a bit of a better idea of the colour there. So that's the Czech dark lager. If you haven't brewed one, and I hadn't brewed one prior to this, definitely give it a whirl. It's yeah, it's got everything you want. If you want a refresher, a low ABV beer, or lower ABV beer, but with lots of flavour, I don't think it could go too far wrong or past this sort of style. So that's me done. Thanks for watching. We will, I was going to say finish it off, but it's just about done. But we will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend if you've still got a weekend left, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers. Over and out.